Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at the electric line. Joe Nall 2025. Got ourselves an F-16 right here, probably an eFlite. And let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Landing on one.
Oh, folks, there he goes, right back up again. All right, touch and go. And that touch and went he did.
Take it off on one. Landing. Landing on three. Clear. On the field. On the field. Off the field. Landing. Take it off. Good time, buddy.
Oh my goodness, folks, that's Falcon butter right there. F-16 Falcon butter. Because when you got a plane that cool, whoop, there goes the canopy. When you got a plane that cool, lands that smooth, what else are you gonna call it? All right, friends, more to come.